So what do you do when you have an item such as the floor where it's damaged, it's cracked, and you can't repair it, you can't fill it, you can't fix it? Sometimes we have to go in and take money out of the budget that we have for other things to really take care of situations that have to be resolved. The health department isn't going to allow it, and I think that ultimately it's going to affect the guest experience if we don't. So for example, here in front of the urinals in the men's room, we have some cracks, and those cracks also carry into the restroom stall. In this part of the city, there's a lot of settling, and there's just no way for us to fill it, there's no way for us to fix it, and unfortunately there's urine stains. And I think the guest experience, again, coming in and seeing that and experiencing it, it's worth spending the money to fix it and make it right. So we're going to carry the flooring that we have in the rest of the restaurant into the space. That way it's cohesive and works together.